Hi. When I started with TenantCloud, I think it's been almost, close to 10 years. I was looking to move everything and make things a lot simpler. I did a lot of things on Excel spreadsheets. I had paper leases. Man, um, making that change was huge for me 10 years ago, even with the number of units that I had then versus now, which has grown. But um, just a great software to move things electronically and save you lots of time. And honestly, the price in 10 years hasn't went up that much. Um, I have since upgraded for more storage space, but it's been a great software, and I've kind of been here as it's grown over the years, and really enjoyed using it. Due to the fact that when I moved to Tenant Cloud, I didn't have a whole lot to, so, I didn't have a software to switch over from. It was pretty simple because I was starting from the ground up. I'm not sure how it would be today, integrating from one software to the other. Um, and honestly, that's kind of why I've stuck with Tenant Cloud is because, there's a few things that it would be awesome if we could improve on, like um, integrating into a bank account. But other than that, really, TenantCloud has been great, and they continue to improve their app and everything, and it's gotten better and better. So I've been really really pleased with that. A few years ago, I did try in looking for a different software that did integrate bank bank accounts into the accounting process, because the accounting can be very cumbersome, tracking each um, tracking each transaction, especially when um, I have a flip side of my business that generates a lot of transactions when we're doing flips. The rental properties not as much, but yeah, it can become cumbersome. But I know I found out is the nice thing about Tenant Cloud is it keeps each property separate, and that's good from a metrics standpoint. And you can add each property as its own entity. You can add different bank accounts on there. Pretty much anything I've needed Tenant Cloud to be, it has been. Um, and so I would highly recommend it, as long as you can get past the bank account thing, which they do offer, reoccurring transactions that you can set up, and I have done that to make it easier. But yeah, I would recommend Tenant Cloud to anyone, and I do. Um, when they need something, more of a uh, not a huge, when you have, I don't know, 10, 20 units, I think it works very well, and makes you look professional to your tenants as well. And I don't use every, aspect of it, but I use some aspects more than others. But yeah, it's been great along the way, and very pleased with it.